In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in Xero. If you're new to Xero or just brushing up, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you'll be up and running in no time. Let's get started right away. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that the dashboard offers a comprehensive overview of your accounting operations. This can be incredibly useful in managing your business finances effectively, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's always beneficial to know where everything is located before diving into a new task. When you're ready, look for the Business tab on the main menu. Clicking on it will present you with a list of options related to your business transactions and activities. From here, select Bills to Pay. This section is specifically dedicated to managing and tracking bills and payments, aiding in staying organized and on top of your dues. In this area, you'll see a list of existing bills, but today we're focusing on creating a new one. To do that, simply click on the New Bill button. This will open up a form where you can enter all the necessary details from your supplier's invoice. Now, this part requires a bit of attention. It's important to ensure each piece of information is entered accurately, from the supplier's name and invoice number to the specific amounts and due dates. Making sure this information is correct from the beginning will save you potential headaches later on and ensure your financial records are precise. Once you've carefully entered all the details, you have two options. If you'd like to save the bill for later review or modification, click Save. This is a handy feature if you're not quite ready to finalize everything just yet. However, if you're satisfied that everything is correct and ready to go, click on Approve. Approving the bill will log it into your Xero records as an official document that will be ready to be paid when it's due. This serves as a seamless way to keep your records in line and ready for upcoming payments. And there you have it. By following these clear steps, you've successfully created a bill in Xero. Regularly managing your bills in this way will help you maintain accurate records and streamline your accounting process. It's a straightforward method that significantly contributes to the smooth operation of your business finances. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more confident in using Xero for your billing needs.